All right, Bob, so of course we started the day with this dense fog advisory. It got canceled early. The president's going to be in town. Is he going to have a nice clear shot of the Boise foothills and see how beautiful it is here?
I think that's the power the president has to cancel that dense fog advisory early.
I got you.
You know, there are federal employees out there at the National Weather Service. But anyway, I'm sure that had nothing to do with it. We're actually clearing up pretty good out there. Some morning fog. Also, some flurries. We had that yesterday, falling out of some of that fog, and that's possible again tomorrow morning. We expect the fog to return, but we're seeing less of it. I suspect our air mass is starting to dry out from all that moisture that fell over the weekend. A continued dry forecast with high pressure dominating our weather and less weekend fog. There's a live look outside. Not a bad looking day. Still got a little bit of haze and some low clouds out there, but in general, the clouds are parting and we're seeing a lot more sunshine. 26 degrees right now in Boise. We have 28 degrees in Garden City. Eagle is at 26, Nampa at 27, and Caldwell at 27 degrees. Well, our dense fog advisory was in effect from Ontario all the way almost to the Magic Valley. That expired early. That was going to be in effect until 11 o'clock, but it was allowed to expire right around our 7 o'clock hour. Here's our satellite map. Clear skies along the eastern seaboard. We do have a weather system moving on in. This won't be a big weather maker. Most of the energy going to the north. It's actually going to be two waves of moisture. Here's the first one, and we'll stop our model right here as we cloud up Thursday evening, right around 8:25. That's what we have as far as cloud cover, and that'll be above the low clouds and some fog that we expect to form. But then that moves on through. Doesn't give us any precipitation. All of that stays well to the north over there in Montana. We start to clear up, and then this next wave moves in. This one's has a little bit more moisture associated with it. Panhandle, we'll probably see most of the precipitation. On our earlier model run, we had the precipitation making it as far south as almost the Baker City, Ontario area, but looks like in our latest run there, most of it's going to remain to the north. And we're going to stay high and dry. We might still have to deal with a bit of fog in the morning. Also, inversion conditions will continue. These two waves will weaken our inversion, but certainly won't be strong enough to clear it out. So, continued cold here in the valley locations with partly cloudy skies for Twin Falls. Now the clouds are lifting. Sunshine for Sun Valley for today. Their high about 26. For McCall, a high of 28 with sunny skies. 40 in Riggins. Western end of the valley looking at a mixture of clouds and sunshine, and temperatures still on the chilly side with not much difference between the overnight low and the daytime high. That's what we normally see with inversion conditions. Partly cloudy skies for Boise much of the day. At times will be maybe even mostly sunny. And then the same pattern for tomorrow. The fog rolls in not too far off after sunset, and then foggy again tomorrow morning. And then once the fog burns off on Friday, mostly sunny skies. Milder temperatures for the weekend, highs in the upper 30s Saturday and Sunday, right around 40 degrees Monday and Tuesday. Brian?